Hey everybody, welcome back. I am the EagleFan. This is my channel. This is an episode of EagleFan Reacts. I'm doing a commenter suggestion today. So sit back and enjoy. Yes, I'm back. Went on a couple-day hiatus there. Yesterday, went on a road trip with Evil Chicken. You will see a video of that on Soarin' and Scratchin' soon. I've got a lot of editing to do before I can release that. Just a lot of raw footage right now. So, why are we here today? Great question. This is a commenter suggestion. Gaia Venus suggested. Now, this is a song that I have reacted to before, but I reacted to the original singer, Amorphis. The song is Alone. This is a live version with Tomi. Love everything I've heard from Tomi so far, so want to hear what this version of this song sounds like. This is live at, was it Land of a Thousand Lakes? Forgive me if I got that part a little wrong. I apologize. Now, without any further ado, we all want to hear Amorphis. As you can see, I'm already ready for this. I've got my Amorphis t-shirt on. Oddly enough, that was done before even deciding to do this video. It just helped me decide, I guess. Here we go. Okay. I've got to say, again, I don't know a lot about the original singer. but from what I've heard of that one song, but I've heard a lot of Tomi. I shouldn't say a lot of Tomi, but compared to the original singer, it's been a lot. And I've seen them live, where I got this t-shirt from. I just love his voice. It's just, I can't describe it, but there's just something about that voice. The low tone he hits, and just the quality of that voice in both the, not the screams, but the growls and the cleans. It's just, there's something to that voice that just, it bores down to your soul almost. I love it. I absolutely love it. So let's get back and hear some more. I'm going to start fanboying again here, so forgive me. Here we go. Loved it. Absolutely loved it. There's just something about this group. Musically, great. Love the voice. Love the songs. I like how they almost seem to mix music a little bit. Not exactly per se, but that little point when the keys were playing, it had sort of an Eastern kind of flair to it, which blended perfectly with everything else that was going on. I'm sorry, I just love it. It's great. I've got to say thank you again to Gaia Venus for putting me onto this video. this concert had to have been a great concert to be to. It's got everything in terms of just sitting there and listening to great music. I said this when I saw them, and I've said this to my friends and stuff that we've discussed going to that concert when we've been at that concert. And there's just something about Amorphis. It is, they describe them as melodic death metal. In Flames is also described as melodic death metal. But I love both of those groups. But really, there's nothing similar about them. And that's what's great about this kind of music, is just because they get put in a category, it's not the same. It doesn't mean that everybody from this category sounds alike. Everybody from that category sounds alike. Similarities, but differences. Oddly enough, in my mind, at least, and let me know in the thoughts and comments, Amorphis is almost a mellow melodic death metal. As weird as that may sound, at least to me, it's not always about getting pumped up and just wanting to, run through a wall. It's about enjoying the music. You get pumped up inside from it, but not to the same level, I guess. And that is not any kind of a criticism. It's just a different kind of feel. And I love it. I don't know what else there is to say about it, but I do love it. Thank you again, Gaia. This was a great video, great song, great performance. Amorphis, if you get a chance to see him, go see him. He sounds just as good live as he does on recordings. So, without anything else to add here, sorry, I've just kind of gotten myself backed into a corner a little bit there. Again, I'm not a professional, so I don't have all of that input. Just know what I feel, what I hear, what I like. And this, all of the above. Let me know in your comments. What do you think about this performance? What do you think about this song? What do you think about Amorphis? Have you seen him? Do you have any good stories about him? About going to any of their concerts? Let me know. I appreciate it all. Give me some other comments and suggestions, feedback on anything. Let me know what you think about life. Sorry. Anyway, thank you again. Be good to each other. Stay safe and healthy. And keep your eyes to the sky. Take care.